out there. I can't see.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Everything. Is your hair chasing enough?
I don't know. Is it? I can't see.
I think it is. If you can't see, that means it's uber goth.
Wait, so you can't see my face? Oh, I'm so goth.
No, we're good.
I'm so goth.
No,
You
we're
can't
good.
even see my face.
Just let's go. It's still daylight. We got 3 hours to get ready.
So you mean I have a chance with Nerobellum? He's not even that hot.
Oh, you.
He's not even that hot. Please, there are hotter goth guys than Nerobellum.
And Christoph Bathory.